Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the lesson number 2 of unit number 8 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Students, as you know, yesterday we started unit number 8 and the topic of unit number 8 is, you can see on the board also, modal verb should, should not. So can you tell me where we use should and should not modal verb? Yes, we use should and should not modal verb to indicate obligation, duty and advice. ओके बेटा, जब भी हमें अपने फ़राइज़ की बात करनी है, हमें अपनी ड्यूटीज़ की बात करनी है या हमें किसी को कुछ एडवाइस करना है, हमें किसी को कोई नसीहत करनी है, तो हमें शुड एंड शुड नॉट यूज़ करना है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, I should help my mother. I should recite the Holy Quran. I should offer prayers 5 times a day. I should respect elders. Okay? And for should not, we can say I should not tease anyone. I should not cheat anyone. I should not abuse anyone. ठीक है? किसी को मुझे तंग नहीं करना चाहिए, मुझे किसी को अब्यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके बेटा, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन को देखते हुए हमारी क्या ड्यूटीज़ हैं, हमारे क्या ऑब्लिगेशंस हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने शुड एंड शुड नॉट मॉडल वर्ब यूज़ करना है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? कल के लेसन में हमने एज अ स्टूडेंट कुछ ऑब्लिगेशंस की बात की थी, कुछ ड्यूटीज़ की बात की थी. रमज़ान में हमारी क्या ड्यूटीज़ होती हैं, रमज़ान में हमारे क्या ऑब्लिगेशंस होते हैं, हमने उनकी भी बात की थी. एंड आई होप आपने लेसन अटेंड किया होगा और आपने टॉपिक को अच्छे से गेट करने की कोशिश की होगी. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग और टाइम, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स और टुडेज लेसन. Okay, my dear students, we are here with another segment of unit number 8, which is practice. And what we are going to do, complete the sentences by using suitable words from the box. As you can see, there are some words in the box. So let's start reading the given words. And your books should be opened in front of you. Wear, follow, close, reply, help and take care. Can you tell me, students, what are these all the words indicating? ये सब words हमें क्या बता रहे हैं? Yes, these all words are telling us about some actions, about some verbs. ये सब action words है ना? आप लोग देख सकते हैं. wear mean to wear a scarf, to wear gown. I should wear, being a girl, being a Muslim girl, I should wear abaya when I am outside. इस तरह से आप लोग कह सकते हैं. follow, अमल करना. close, to close the door, to shut the door, you can say. reply mean to answer. help, yes, to help someone who needs your help. take care, ख्याल रखना. I should take care of my mother, like this. Now we will, as you can see, there is a modal verb should is written here, and you have to use the suitable words from the box, and you will complete the given blanks. First one has been done for you. We should dash traffic rules. We should follow traffic rules. Okay, follow. She should dash her mother in the kitchen. Yes, here is the word. She should help her mother in the kitchen. Clear beta? He should dash the door softly. He should close the door softly. We all should actually, हमें सबको ही डोर सॉफ्टली क्लोज करना चाहिए, अच्छी तरह से, सॉफ्ट तरीके से, ज़ोर से दरवाज़ा बंद नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके. They should dash neat and clean uniform. Yes, they should wear neat and clean uniform. Next one, you should dash off your neighbors. Yes beta, which word? Yes, take care. You should take care of your neighbors. Are you getting, students? We all should take care of our neighbors. And the last one, I should dash to his letter. I should reply, answer, reply to his letter. I should reply to his letter. In this way you will complete your blanks and you will write in a very neat and clean writing. Okay, students, let's complete the blanks. In this way you will do your work. Okay, students, let's move forward towards next activity. Be part of practice. Okay, what we are going to do in this activity, look and complete the sentences with should, should not. Look where? Look at the picture. Yes, we have to look at the picture and then we will complete the sentences. Look at the first picture, beta. There is a boy and he is sweating na? Pasina aa raha hai. So, what we are going to use here, should or should not? And look at the vocabulary word also. Yes, we'll use should. He should drink water because the day is very hot. बहुत गर्मी लग रही है यहाँ पे, so he should drink water. Next one, look at the picture. What is happening in the picture? Yes, two boys are fighting na? Fight in the class. So what we are going to use? We are going to use should not. They should not fight in the class. Clear? Next one, look at the picture. There is an elephant and there is a boy. A boy is running. ठीक है ना? So आप लोग देख सकते हैं. What we are going to use, beta? I think an elephant is chasing the boy. Elephant जो है वो boy के पीछा कर रहा है, तो that's why he is running. So we will use should here. He should run away fast. Yes. Run away mean दूर भाग जाना. Next one, look at the picture. There is a girl and look at the weather. Weather. It seems like winter season. सर्दी का मौसम लग रहा है ना? And look at the vocabulary also. Wear a jacket. She should wear a jacket. Clear? Next one, look at the picture. What is happening in the picture? There is a man and there is a boy. A man is playing horn. बहुत ज़्यादा शोर हो रहा है यहाँ पे. And the boy is saying to stop the horn. अपने हाथ से इशारा कर रहा है कि to stop the horn. Okay. So what we are going to use, which positive or negative modal verb? Negative one. Yes. You should not play horn. Clear? The last one. What is happening? There are two boys and they are flying kites. And there is an police officer also. He is coming towards the boys now. So we can say we should not fly a kite. Clear, students? You will make complete sentences by using should and should not, and you will complete your work. Okay, students, in this way you will do your work. Your writing should be neat and clean, and you have to put full stop at the end of sentences. Clear, students? Let's move over towards another segment, which is extended practice. Extended practice. What we are going to do, match the pictures with actions and use them in advice. Do you know what is meaning of advice, beta? Yes, नसीहत. कोई भी अच्छी बात किसी को बताना, उसको हम नसीहत बोलते हैं. एंड हमें एक्शंस के साथ पिक्चर्स को मैच करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. देन वी विल यूज़ देम इन एडवाइस. एंड जब हमें एडवाइस करनी हो तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं बेटा? येस, वी यूज़ मॉडल वर्ब शुड एंड शुड नॉट. जब भी हमें एडवाइस करनी हो, हमें अपने ऑब्लिगेशन की बात करनी हो या अपनी ड्यूटी की बात करनी हो, तो हमें शुड एंड शुड नॉट मॉडल वर्ब यूज़ करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल रीड द गिवन वर्ड बैंक. Then we will match them with given pictures. Help the needy, play on the road, eat junk food, listen to the teacher, stop on the signal and throw litter. Pictures are very clear. You can match easily. Help the needy mean? Yes. जो लोग ज़रूरतमंद हैं उनकी मदद करना. You can match with this picture. Play on the road. You will match with this picture. Eat junk food. It's very easy. You can find out the pictures very easily. Listen to the teacher. Here we have the picture. Stop on the signal like this and throw litter. You will match with this picture. Now I'll show you matching. In this way you will match them. Okay students, and now we have to use them in sentence making. Okay, by using should and should not. अब हमें advice में इनको change करना है. So can we make sentences from here? Yes. We should help the needy. Next one. We should not play on the road. Next one. We should not eat junk food. We should listen to the teacher. We should stop on the signal. And last one, we should throw litter. Okay, throw litter mean, yes, we should throw litter, garbage in the dustbin. Dustbin में हमें garbage, कूड़ा क्रिकेट वगैरह फेंकना चाहिए. Clear students? Now what we are going to do, we will write the sentences. जो हमने अभी sentences बनाए हैं वो हम यहाँ write करेंगे. In a very neat and clean writing, we will start with capital letter and we will put full stop at the end. Okay students, in this way you will do your work and your writing should be neat and clean. You will start with capital letter and you will put full stop at the end, and you have to practice the structure. Should and should not model verb आपने practice करना है, written भी and orally भी आपने practice करना है. We will meet in next lesson. Till then take care. Allah Hafiz.